Hi guys, it's me again, Hey, your private property advisor. In the last video, we talked about the reasons why you should start off with a condo rather than a HDB. Some of you might think, that is a stretch on my finances if I start off with a condo. Well, that's not entirely true. With the right strategies and the right advisor, you can skip the BTO upgrade route altogether and go straight into the beautiful condo that you have been eyeing. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 2 financial strategies that will help you scale the private property ladder. Strategy 1. Ask Ma and Pa for help. It might be an option for some of you to ask your parents for financial help, as they may be already looking to invest their surplus funds. This will fulfill 2 functions. First, it will give you a leg up financially. Secondly, you also give your parents the opportunity to participate in the private property market without incurring additional taxes. Some parents are already looking to do this to give their children a head start. This is getting more and more common actually, so much so that it has just been reported in the news. However, there must be some sort of understanding between the 2 parties. That's where, as your advisor, I will be of assistance. Granted, this option isn't for everybody. If that's the case, don't worry, we have strategy number 2 for you. Start off with a 1-bedroom condo and upgrade later. Firstly, there's no minimum occupancy period, which means you can sell and upgrade your condo anytime. Secondly, and more importantly, the condo prices rises faster than the HDBs. I know, Singaporeans feel that BTO is their entitlement, buy low, sell high. But what they didn't realize is, they may sell high, but they buy even higher later. Not only they did not increase their wealth, they increased their liability. Let me share with you this. I once had a client, he was looking for a 3-bedroom for a start, even before he got married. But unfortunately, he couldn't afford it, and he stubbornly refused any help from his parents. So he searched and couldn't find any. And he wasted his youth and the low interest rate environment then. When he met me, I managed to convince him to start off with a 2-bedder. So he went and got a 2-bedroom. After that, I did some calculations and realized that if he had started off with a 2-bedroom before he met me and then sold off that 2-bedroom, he will have sufficient funds to get a 3-bedroom. I have many more financing strategies for you, but before we get into that, I need to understand your situation a little bit better before we can come up with a customized solution together. In the last video, I'm going to share with you the most important element to help you get your dream home without stress or worry. Fill up your email below to get the video delivered to your inbox. Catch up with you soon. See ya!